All right, guys, next section here, 4.3. This is called modeling with quadratics, okay? What we're going to do, the directions might vary a little bit. They might say things like write a quadratic in standard form that passes through the three given points. They might say, what is the standard form equation of a quadratic that models these 3 points, okay? But basically, we need to write a standard form quadratic equation of a parabola that passes through three given points. And we're about to do this one here together. Okay, I'll do two examples for you in this video. What we're going to use here is we are going to use our knowledge of, number one, what standard form is. And number two, then what we're going to do is create a three variable system. And the nice thing about this strategy is that, as you hopefully remember, you can solve a three variable system using matrices and hitting buttons in your calculator. Okay, so here we go. Just to get started here. Let me switch. I like this other side of my stylus here. Let's just remember that standard form of a quadratic is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so what I'm going to do is individually with each one of these points plug in x and y into the standard form, okay? And then what I will have created is a three variable system where the variables then are no longer x and y, they are a, b, and c. And then I'll use the matrices buttons in my calculator to find the answer, okay? So for the first point here, negative 4, 8. The y value is 8. Y equals a, use parentheses here, x squared plus unknown b times x plus c. Okay, now let's get that. Let's over here. We'll actually write our three variable system. Now I want to do this math. Okay, so I've got the 8 equals 16a, because negative 4 squared is 16, minus 4b plus c. Okay, next equation. I'll switch colors for us. Using now my middle here, I'm color coding to help you out. Okay, this is the one I just did in red. Now I'm about to do the one here that I've put a green little line above. Y, which in this case is 5, y equals a times x, which is negative 1 squared, plus b times x plus c. So that's 5 equals 1, because negative 1 squared is 1a minus 1b plus c. Okay, next, we'll do this one in blue. I've got this y, 13, equals a times x, which is 1 squared, plus b times x, which is 1, plus c. So that's 13 equals 1a plus 1b. You want to sit here, Mr. Yoland? No, you're good. Plus c. All right, now this is our three variable system, which we call this the answer matrix, which we're plugging into matrix B in our calculator. We'll use these three numbers here for our coefficient matrix, which is what we put in for matrix A in our calculator. So, calculator, let me drag it over to the side. Second matrix. I want to go over to edit. Yours should already be set up. Let me set this one up real fast. Matrix A is our coefficient matrix 3 by 3. We've got 16. Whoops again. 16, negative 4, 1. Then I've got 1, negative 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. All right, go back to matrix B. Edit matrix B. That's a 3 by 1. You already have this set up in your calculator again. Our answers are 8, 5, and 13. Okay, Now we'll go quick, get back to just our calculator screen. Now remember, every single time you just want to type in matrix A, the inverse of that times matrix B. Okay, this is going to shoot out our answers for A, B, and C, which is really what we need to know to solve this standard form quadratic. So there we've got the A is 1, B is 4, and C is 8. Okay, 1, 4, 8 is what we got. Let me scroll down here. Oh no. Okay, what we got was hello 1, 4, 8. Okay, so we were looking for A, B, and C. That's it. 1 is A, 4, B is 4, C is 8. So that tells me that the standard form of the quadratic that passes through those 3 points is y equals, remember, we're looking up right here right now, ax squared plus bx plus c, 1, no need to write the 1 if you don't want to, x squared plus 4x plus 8. All right, those are all done like that. All right, we can do one more in class if you need to. But for right now, I'll see you tomorrow. Come on, stop.